on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. PhotoVlogs here. Today we are here at the ASR grand opening for their alignment shop. Bunch of Hondas and Acuras here already, so let's go do some photo shoots. Let's go. Sometimes I like to just get some people into the shots. When it's a grand opening of a location, I like to get the signage in the shots as well. There you go. Kids and pets, especially dogs. Dogs makes good photos for car shows. Really cool. You know, you got these guys right here. Get some content creators in here too as well. There you go. Perspective engine. All right, so far, lots of Hondas. Beautiful Hondas are in town. We got some RX, we got an RX-7 right here. Take a quick shot. We go here. Quick shot of the STK right there. Let's cross right over here. Well, sometimes I like to get some perspective from shooting over here, so I'll be shooting from here towards that NSX over there, just waiting for those guys to move, and then I'm gonna do some shots right over there. But since that guy moved, I'm gonna shoot that little Civic right there. Come right here.
Alright guys, I'll say thank you for coming out. If you guys have to fill out your name for a raffle, we're going to wrap up.
Alright, so this is a Years 240SX. We had this for a very long time. This is Johnny's Spec R S15. Alright, let's go ahead and shoot some photos. This way. Some perspective shot right there. All right, so we're heading towards the end of the show. It's from 8 to 11. So I'm gonna get some few shots and then probably gonna head home and get my car ready because I still gotta fix my front lip on my GTR. All right, guys, so that wraps up today's vlog at the ASR grand opening. Tonight we are doing a GTR only photo shoot for a calendar, so I'm excited for that today. Anyways, today at ASR, their shop is a very nice setup, something that I would love to have. You know, a shop with a parking lot space. I would definitely go crazy on meats and cars and coffee if I had that kind of space, but maybe in the future I will. But anyways, catch you guys next time. Today we're doing our GTR shoot for the 2025 calendar. So far we got the Merced people here already. We're still waiting for some Sacramento and also some Fresno folks with the 33s and 34s. And so stay tuned, mark your calendar for October 19, Central Valley GTR meet here. So put that on your calendar and be sure to join us.